Let's be honest. Getting a new iPhone means one thing. It's time to hunt for the perfect case. You want something sleek, protective, and MagSafe ready, but without making your phone feel like a brick. So today, I'm showing you the best magnetic sleek cases for the iPhone Air and iPhone 17 Pro, from minimalist leather backs to bold designer finishes. Let's get right into it. NOMAD Magnetic Leatherback, and this one's a pure minimalist dream. It's ultra thin and precision cut, giving you that naked iPhone feel while still adding a layer of luxury. Made from premium leather, it develops a rich patina over time, which means the more you use it, the better it looks. And yes, it's MagSafe compatible, so snapping on chargers and wallets feels seamless. No bulky magnets sticking out. If you love a clean, timeless look that still feels premium in hand, this one nails it. Check the link in the description for the NOMAD Leatherback. NOMAD Modern Leather Case, designed specifically for the iPhone 17 Pro. This is that sweet spot between style and protection. It's wrapped in high-quality Horween leather, and over time, it develops that worn-in, vintage texture NOMAD fans love. The inside is lined with a shock-absorbing frame for drop protection, while the outside looks sleek enough for the office or a night out. Of course, it's MagSafe compatible, so all your accessories just snap on perfectly. It's the kind of case that feels executive but doesn't scream for attention. Subtle, classic, and built to last. Find the NOMAD Modern Leather Case below. For those who prioritize protection and practicality, the ESR magnetic case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max is a standout. This one comes with camera control, a built-in sliding camera protector that doubles as a stand, so you can protect your lenses and set your phone up for hands-free video calls or editing reels. It's MagSafe compatible, has military-grade drop protection, and uses strong magnets that hold your MagSafe charger securely even if you pick your phone up mid-charge. If you've ever dropped your iPhone and prayed to the tech gods, this one's your armor. Grab the ESR magnetic case, link in the description. TORRAS Magnetic Slim Fit for iPhone 17 Air Case. This TORRAS case is explicitly designed for the user who prioritizes aesthetics and ergonomics over heavy-duty protection. It is a premium, minimalist solution for the upcoming iPhone 17 Air 6.5-inch, whose primary function is to shield the device from daily scratches and maintain its factory-engineered feel. The ultra-thin and slim-fit philosophy ensures the case adds almost no bulk, making it feel closer to a skin than a traditional protective shell. Something for the aesthetic lovers. The Casely iPhone 17 Air Case. This one's for those who want their phone case to match their personality. It's got a coquette girly pastel bows design, bold yet soft, the kind of case that gets compliments at the coffee shop. Despite the playful look, it's MagSafe compatible and shock resistant, built to protect without compromising style. If you want your iPhone Air to stand out while still staying protected, this one's the perfect mix of cute and capable. Link below for the Casely iPhone 17 Air Case. So there you have it, the best magnetic sleek cases for iPhone Air and iPhone 17 Pro in 2026. All product links are in the description. Check them out before you drop your phone again, because a good case doesn't just protect your phone, it completes it.